February 2023, we ushered in the Chinese New Year. The employees of SUZHOU Pharma Machinery Company Limited started their work in the China Pharma Cleanroom office in 2023. All enterprises' production and transportation traffic has recovered to the level before 2019. All employees of our company keep health and wait for the arrival of our new customers with full spirit. In the office, we have installed a new clean room sample room, which is designed, manufactured, and installed according to the actual clean room modular proportion. In order to display the live broadcast more directly and give customers more intuitive experience and detailed explanation, we have built this mini pharmaceutical China ISO clean room. Welcome, contact and follow us.